So Alex, it's been a good playing lesson.
Thank you.
Learned a couple things or two about your game, even though I've been working with you for a little bit. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of wrap up some things we talked about. So, like I said, your cut, that's great.
I feel like the good shots we didn't get on camera.
We didn't get the great shots on camera, but the one we did, the very first one we did, you listened to me and you're able to follow instruction, which is good.
No, it's definitely helpful.
That teaches a good student. And then on the bunker shot, it's just practicing, taking 10 shots out of your practice routine and just going there. That was a pretty tough shot. I did give you a more challenging one than I should have, but
it's all right. I put the ball there.
Yep, you made the 2-putt. So
it's true.
So
we
here
recovered.
on our final hole, the playing lesson, it's kind of funky. There's 3 bunkers, as you can see.
Yep.
The one in the middle is the shortest, so plenty of room right as well. We also got the water on the left here, so where would you kind of aim, with your cut that you play?
Yeah, so kind of with that, I guess I'd probably go for that middle bunker because I feel like I have a lot of room on the right there, and that keeps me safe if anything happens. And we're just gonna try to finish out this round even. Yeah, so kind of
honestly, right where that guy on the right there is hitting is, I would say a good target line for you. Any questions on the lesson besides that?
I guess just kind of general advice if I'm gonna go play in some tournaments or anything.
Do with what you're comfortable with. You know that you play that cut. I've never seen you hit the ball left, so I would just use that to your advantage. You work on your bunker play as well. You're talking course management. Kind of like I mentioned, knowing where to hit the ball. We don't always want to go to the hole, right?
Yep.
We had 3 shots to give there, and we weren't going right at the pin because we could have got on the water. So knowing what is around you and where
so
to hit
just
it.
kind of practice-wise, just kind of focus on those bunker shots, I guess.
Yeah.
Try to.
Yeah, know where your miss is too.
Yeah.
Whenever you take a shot, the first thing I always do is, where can I be that wouldn't be my first choice, but where can I then give myself a good look at par still.
Okay.
So like for example here, it's like right at that bunker is great because you can just play your little fade, but if you do tend to hit a little more right, there's plenty of room, so still have a good second shot into the hole.
Yep.
So yeah, let's see it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Good one there.
Okay.
Thanks for the lesson, Alex.
Thanks so much.